just wish I had some crazy folks. Give your neighbor a high five that he did it. He did it, baby. He saved me. I was on my way to hell, but he turned me around. Placed my feet on solid ground. He did it. I'll never forget. I can never forget. Some of us, we need to revisit. We need to remember when we first believed, when we first received Jesus. I was 18 years old and contemplating suicide, but God